So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give access to a developer on Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your settings. Once you've clicked on settings, once you open up your admin panel, you can see here general, plan, billing, users, payments, checkout, customer account, shipping, delivery, and many more options underneath. If you find something like customer privacy, policies, and so on, you can go ahead and see users. It will also say users and permissions, something like that. And you can see here to add users, you can go to roles. You can see for customer support, marketeer, merchandiser, online store editor, administrator. You can go to security. You can see user management activity log, collaborators, so you can learn more about them. You can generate a new code. You can delete it as well. So if you go to your users, go to your roles, you can add a role, but through here you can go ahead and add. Your current plan doesn't support having staff accounts, that's fine. If you get one that does, through here you can add a developer, which will give you the option to add him as a collaborator. So through your settings page, you can see here the permissions that you can grant to people to use your account. And you can see here through there some other options as well, but it's usually through the users, and it will say users and permissions most likely on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.